I'm here to talk about the plight of the comrades who are hunger-stricken in various universities across the nation. We have reports from almost all the universities in Kenya that comrades are sleeping hungry, going without food, and we know what it means to go without food. We know that when you're going without food, you cannot go to class, you cannot go to various lecture halls. We know when you go without food, you cannot even sleep. You cannot do practically anything because you can't operate. For that reason, as Babu Owino and as a comrade, I'm demanding that Ringera, the CEO HELB, release HELB with an immediate effect. We know that there's money in HELB. There's money that has always been repaid. There's the repayment of the HELB loans. Actually, the number of people who are repaying the HELB loans are more than the current number of students. Last year alone, there was no any expenditure that was incurred by HELB. There was no disbursement of HELB because there was COVID. Therefore, there is sufficient money, enough money to cater for the interest of the students. There should be no any excuse. And if HELB by any chance are stating that they don't have money, then one, they can borrow money from the commercial banks. Let them borrow the money with an immediate effect and let them disburse money to students in various universities. Failure to which, as a member of parliament and still as a comrade, my gears are still intact. My demonstration gears are still intact, and I will lead nationwide demonstrations in this country to ensure that Ringera is sacked. Lastly, I want to say that there was a regime when comrades used to eat chicken. Then comrades started eating like chicken. And now comrades are eating with chicken. But currently, comrades are not eating anything. There is no even the chicken feeds for comrades to feed on. Therefore, it is a situation which is not going well with the comrades' fraternity. I want to urge all comrades to get ready, because either way hunger is going to kill you. So be ready for the demonstration and ensure that this time round the demonstration is better imagined than experienced. Thank you and God bless you all.